Meet the Animals, Episode 22, Eastern Blue Bird. Hello. Who are you?
I'm an eastern bluebird. Bluebirds are a type of bird.
Where do you live?
We live all over the world. We like rainforests.
What do you eat?
Bluebirds eat mealworms, fruit, crickets, and termites. We eat hornets and beetles too.
Do you make any sounds?
Yes, bluebirds are making sound. We are loud sometimes.
Who are your enemies?
Owls sometimes eat birds. So do raccoons, spiders, and frogs.
Do you live alone?
Nope, we live in groups called flocks. Sometimes we fly together.
Do you lay eggs?
Yes, we lay eggs in the nest. After days, chicks hatch on the egg.
Can you fly?
Bluebirds have feathers. But we don't have wings. We just fly. I'm hungry. See you later.
See you later, Eastern Blue Bird.
Little Fox.